add a new page to this website. Under Parents, I'm going to add a page for wraparound, and this is how I'm going to do it. When I want to log in to the back end, the first task is to create a new category. So I'm going to go to the Category Manager, and this is just going to be a new category. Click the new in the upper left corner. I'm going to call it Wraparound, and even if this needs to move to a different place at a later location, it can. The screen looks a lot like the article editor, but note here in the top it does say new category, so it's not an article, so don't let this description field distract you. And here we're going to choose a parent. So there's not the category option on this screen, but it's going to be a parent. So where is this category going to live in relation to the other categories on the website? Because this is a church and a school, and I'm going to scroll towards the bottom where all the school categories are located. I want to put this under parents. Remember, a category is a basket that contains articles. It's kind of like the organizational structure or folders on your Windows Explorer on your desktop. Great for those type A personalities, not so great for the type B personalities. So I've created a category. My next step is going to be to go back to the control panel, and I'm actually going to use this menus drop down, and I would know there's a couple of different menu sets. Usually for every site there's a main menu and a hidden menu, and there might even be a third for a sub menu, because hidden menu is something that all of our sites need. Main menu is that top menu bar that you see across the top of the page. And then usually there's a secondary set of menus that do not live in this navigation, but might still be an essential part of the website. So I'm going to click on school menu because I know that's where I want to add this one. Oh, and then for every site, if there's a subsite, there's going to be an additional set of menus for the subsite. So in this case, the school is a subsite and there's an additional set of menus. Most of the pages are set up to be this type called category blog, which we see on this screen. The category blog is a page or a menu item, those two terms could be synonymous, that displays multiple categories, or all the categories that displays multiple articles, all the articles that live in the same category in this instance. And we can restrict that to be like 10 articles, and then they go away, or it can be as few as 1 or 2. So I'm just looking for where I want to add this, and I noticed the parents was the last one on the previous screen. So now I'm under the parents, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to imitate. I'm going to click on an existing menu item, before and after school care. And on this screen, I actually am going to click Save As Copy up here in the top middle of the screen. What that does is it saves all the same settings, and then but the menu type is the same, and then I can go in and change this to be change the name of the menu item. I do want to clear the alias, otherwise, like that, your domain name, in this case stwilliam.net /parents after school program 2 is not what I want it to say. I want it to be /parents /wraparound. So that's what the alias does on a menu item. I do want to publish this and change the red to green published over here under status on the right hand side. My parent setting copied from the previous menu item. My menu type copied from the previous menu item. And then, because I created that category, I want to clear this category and select the new category that I created. I find it easier to type into this field than to click through the pages of categories. Category blog is the most common menu item type used in our websites. There are other types available, but that's for a more advanced user who wants to really get into what the possibilities are with this powerful software. I'm going to go ahead and save and close. I'm going to go back to the website. I'm going to refresh. And then under Parents should be a page for Wraparound. And right now my header and my footer are not displaying. So in order to get those to display, I'm going to go back to the control panel, click on Module Manager. Inside of Module Manager, it also has, again, modules are kind of wildcards, meaning they could be anything, but they do have a little bit of common characteristics. The Module Manager has the same search tools feature as the Article Manager does. And what I can do here is I can select by page, and that's what I'm going to do on this screen. I'm going to go find the before and after school page, and then anything that it has, I'm going to click on it, open it, toggle to Menu Assignments, which is the second tab under the title. Go find the new one that I created. I'm collapsing the other menu sets, which are visible on this screen too. And I just want to go check the box next to that respective module and add it to the page. Save and close. Same thing for headers, the next one I'm looking for, school header. Menu assignment, collapse the hidden, collapse the main, here's the school, scroll down to under Parents, check Wraparound, save and close. Let me refresh that. And there's my new menu item. There are a couple other modules to activate for sure. Definitely want to put the side menu there. Whoops, that was for main menu, which shouldn't be there. And note, there's often a note under the module title that kind of gives you a descriptor about where that particular module might be appearing within the website. Refresh. There's the menu on the sidebar. Now I can navigate from page to page. If there's any other modules to add, we can do that also. Thanks for watching.